How to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Many users are unwilling to remove duplicates in Google Photos manually due to time wasting. Unfortunately, there are only manual ways until now. No matter which way you take, bear in mind that the Google Photos backup does not perform a sync function from cloud to local. Otherwise, when you delete duplicates, your local source photos may be deleted at the same time. So, firstly, if the number of duplicate photos is not too much, you can try to delete these duplicates manually. Log into your Google Photos official website, then simply click on Photos in the left panel and find these duplicates. Select photos that you don't need and click on the Delete option. Method 2 is use identical duplicate detection with Google Photos. Google does try to prevent complete duplication through the identical duplication deletion feature, and this will scan the content and metadata of any images you upload to the cloud and check to make sure it has not been uploaded yet. This is very simple and easy to use because it is automatically enabled and duplicates can be deleted without user input. Select an image that has already been uploaded to your account and try to upload it again. This will check whether duplicate detection is effective on a device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.